San Antonio Home Insurance and Earthquake. Should you be concerned? By Dax Vincent, www.sanantoniotxinsurance.org. San Antonio Home Insurance and Earthquakes. Is this something you should be thinking about? Since the Haiti disaster in January, earthquakes, whether mild or strong, and the cost of their potential damages have started to gain the attention of more and more Americans. Add this to the growing fear of sudden infrastructure failures on fault areas, and you find the potential of losing many lives and accumulating sizable economic disaster. There are still a number of older buildings in the United States that have not been brought up to present building codes, as well as a number of newer buildings that also were not built exactly to current building codes. There are reports from the Insurance Information Institute III that indicate that there are a lot of homeowners who live in or near these seismic areas, who have not made the choice to buy insurance to cover themselves in the event of an earthquake. For a more concrete example, the Insurance Information Institute has reported that less than 25% of the people owning homes in California have made the choice to cover their homes with earthquake insurance. In non-seismic areas of the country, it never hurts to have insurance, but if you lie directly on top of a fault line or similar, not having earthquake insurance can be compared to jumping out of an airplane without a parachute. In many cases, earthquakes are not part of the coverage in typical or standard insurance policies for American homeowners. This is also true for business owners and standard insurance policies for their businesses. In order to make sure that you have this, look into supplemental policies that specifically cover insurance. If you're reading this article, particularly if you are in a heavily seismic area like California, please at least take the time to review your coverage to see if you are covered in the event of an earthquake. Another thing to keep in mind that homeowners and business owners often overlook, is that in the event of earthquake damage, the risk for fire damage also increases. Broken gas lines or flammables damaged during an earthquake, combined with broken electrical devices or downed power lines, can set up the perfect environment for sudden fires. Often, standard business and San Antonio home insurance policies cover fire damage, but this is another thing to check during your next insurance coverage review. Dax Vincent is an author for www.sanantoniotxinsurance.org, a nationwide provider of insurance information, and home of the fast quoting system.